Hello flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my channel. It's almost break time and the workshop guys came here to fix things for our shop. Suddenly, a client came and requesting for a gift arrangement. Even though we are almost closed, we are still welcoming her and accepted her order. I really feel proud of my team because everyone knows what to do and you don't have to tell them. While discussing on our client for the things that she wants to see on her arrangement, she was apologizing too because she came late and she don't want to disturb us, but I explained to her that clients are always a priority, so nothing to worry about. Meet our colleague Bashar, he's from Bangladesh. When we shoot this video, he was about to go home to Bangladesh and he told me to start editing this and send it to him so he can show it to all his family, but because of timing and of course work, we didn't get a chance to edit it so fast. But now I told him to just send the link of the YouTube account. While arranging the flowers, I'm trying to entertain her too so she doesn't feel bored. The good thing with her, she really loves flowers, so she keeps on asking what are these kind of flowers and the process on doing it. This video is really dedicated for Bashar to show his family in Bangladesh of his work, and I want to make him happy. He's such a very good colleague to us. Usually he's helping us in doing centerpieces, so this one is a little bit different for him. He really requested that he will help me so he will learn something new. So I'm trying to explain to him this and that. So he's following and he's doing a good job. And I want to say hi to the people in Bangladesh. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Have fun watching. If you have comments, suggestions, please write it down below. I would love to hear from you. For orders and inquiries, our number is written in the description box below. Only final touches and we're done. don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And this is the final look of our quick, simple arrangement. I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for watching. See ya!